What's in there, Parker? Are those farm animals?
Look.
What's that?
Duck.
What's that?
Duck. Good job.
Duck. Duck. What's this?
How many animals are in there? Can you count and tell me? 1, 2, 3.
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11.
11. Good job. High five.
Marker 2 picture with Parker.
Hey guys, welcome back to Playtime with Parker. So today, Parker and Mommy are going to be playing with the creatures of the world, amazing capsules farm animals. So this toy seems super cool because you take one of the capsules out and you drop it into water and then it turns into a farm animal. So we're super excited to see what animals we get today. So you ready to open, Parker?
Open Mommy.
Okay. Okay guys, so I have all the capsules here and Parker's gonna dump them all in there and Parker is going to have to figure out which animal is what. So put them in there, Parker. Whoa. Oh, I see some starting. Some are starting, guys.
Whoa.
This one's about to hatch.
Whoa.
They're gonna be all different colors. Which is gonna be the first one? We can't wait. Should we swirl it? Let's swirl it to give them some help.
Colors.
Ooh, this one's
There's
about
one
to
that's
come.
going.
It's coming.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
What's it gonna be?
So we have the chart that shows which animal is what, and then Parker has to guess?
Yes.
Whoa.
He's gonna have to match it up. Oh, I see
You can
some
do this,
coming.
Parker. What's that?
What's that one?
What's that one, Parker?
What's that one? Let's see. Let's look at it. Oh. What do you think it is, Parker? With the farm animals. I think this is the turkey, guys. Do you guys see?
Oh yeah, it is.
It's a turkey. Cool. So a turkey was the first one born. Let's see what else there is. Let's help them out a little. Ooh, it's nice and gooey. Parker, I think one's ready. That green one. What's that green one? Oh, there they are, guys. Do you see them?
Whoa.
What's that one? Let's see. Here, put it on Mommy's hand. Oh, I think, is this a horse? Parker, is this a horse? Horse, how cool. Okay, there's one more. That one hatched too. Can you put it on Mommy's hand? Right here. Parker, what's this one? What is this?
Moo cow?
Is it a ram? I think it's a ram. Yep.
Yeah.
It's a ram.
This one.
What is this one? Oh, I know what this one is. Parker, do you know what this one is? Daddy, do you know what this one is?
Look.
It's a piggy?
Yeah, piggy. This one is... Oh, this one's a tough one because the ears are stuck together, but this is a rabbit.
Bunny rabbit.
Yeah, bunny rabbit. What's this one?
What's that one?
This one is it a bull? Yeah, it's a bull. You see that? Cool. Oh, real quick, guys, if you guys like today's toy, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and give it a big like. And also subscribe to Parker's channel for more fun toy videos like this and free toy giveaways. Thanks, guys.
Duck.
Yeah, good job. Did you guys hear that?
A duck.
Parker got the duck.
Good job, Parker.
Okay, what's that one now? What's this one? Parker, what's this one?
It's
I know what it is. What is it, Parker? Is it a goat?
goat.
Goat. Okay, there's 2 left. 3 actually. Ooh, this one's like, I don't know, is it missing a head?
Looks like a cow.
Cow? Yeah, this one's a cow with the head.
There we go.
So this one's a cow. Moo. Okay, what's this red one? Ooh.
What's that one, Parker?
What's this one?
What's that one?
This one's a sheep.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Sheep. What's this last one? Or is that the cow's head? No, it's an animal. Oh, last one.
What is it, Parker?
What's this last one? Oh, I think, no. Oh, I know what it is. It has to be this way. It's a chicken! Cluck, 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 cluck. Okay, so let's go over the animals real quick, Parker. Okay. So we have, this one's a, can you say goat? Goat. This one's a ram. That's a rabbit. Cow. Sheep. Chicken. Pig. Turkey. What's this one? Bull. And what's this one?
Duck.
Duck, good job, high five. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video where Mommy and Parker had the fun capsules to put back in there and they turned into fun animals. This was so much fun, guys. So this is gonna be in the next free toy giveaway, so if you wanna play too, make sure you subscribe, okay? Talk to you guys later. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.